Okay, what we're looking at now here is simplifying fractions. When we simplify fractions, what we need to do, we need to divide top and bottom by the highest common factor. So if you look at a nice easy question first of all, 6 over 12. Now 6 over 12, 6 and 12, the biggest number that will divide into 6 and divide into 12 is 6. So 6 is called the highest common factor. So 6 divided by 6 is equal to
1.
And 12 divided by 6 is?
2.
And that's simplifying. Let's have a look at another question. So we have now 36 over 42. So you can think to help you out, which timetables do they both come in?
6.
They both come in the 6 times table. So let's try dividing it by 6. So that'll give you 6 and that'll give you 7. We know we can't cancel this any further because 7 is a prime number. Let's try another question. Let's do it in 2 parts this time to show you what happens if you don't divide it by the highest common factor the first time. So for example, 16 over 24. Say for example, you don't realize that the highest common factor is 8 and instead you divide it by 4. Let's see what happens if we do that. So 16 divided by 4 is?
4.
24 divided by 4 is?
6.
What happens is we have to then cancel again. So it doesn't make it long, it doesn't make it wrong, it just makes it slightly longer. So now the highest common factor is 2, because 4 and 6 is the biggest number that divided them is 2. So that gives you 2/3. So that is the actual answer that we need, 2/3. Okay, so if you don't cancel it by the biggest number first time, carry on cancelling until you stop. Why do you stop at 2/3? Because 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, can't cancel any further. Okay, one more example. Can you choose one more example for me, please?
10 over 30.
That's an easy one.
42 over 49.
Okay, let's do
16 over 24.
16 over. Then that one.
You just done it.
12 over 24.
Okay, 12 over. You only exactly chose the whole number. Never mind. 12 over 24.
Numbers.
12 over 24. 12 over 24 is a nice easy one because the highest common factor is 12. 12 is the biggest number that divide into them.
You can divide it.
Top will be 1 and the bottom will be, no, you can't divide more. That's it.
1.
If you divide by anything else, you have to divide again.
And again.
Okay, so that's the end of our simplifying fractions example.